Hey parents, if you search online and you type the words baby sit-up chair, you're going to find yourself scrolling for a long time. But today we're going to say thank you to a company called Blublu Park because they sponsored this baby donut sit-up seat. So in this video, we're going to show you how to set it up and we're going to explain what the Blublu Park sit-up chair can do for your child. So this is how you set it up. Tear the box apart and you'll find out that you have everything you need to set this chair up except for an inflating pump, which is sold separately. It comes with a cover, the detachable sensory tray, and this thing that you inflate. Take it out of its wrapper, and now it's my wife's turn to talk.
This needs to be like that, and this needs to be in here. That one here, the bump here, so it's not going to trip over, you know?
So basically, align them so you know what you are dealing with. Turn it over so the black side is facing you and that the zipper is on top. Then insert the arm side first into the zipper hole right there.
It's the same thing. I'm going to put inside.
So keep inserting the arm until you reach this part.
I'm going to insert it here, look. Insert there. This head, the chest part.
When you finally finish inserting the entire white piece inside the cover, find the inflation valve and start putting air into the seat. Wow. With the air pump we had, it took about a minute to inflate the chair. A reminder though, this air pump does not come with the package, unfortunately. If you need one, I'll link one below if you need it. Once it looks ready, cover the valve, zip it up, which we forgot to do. And if you hate wrinkles, then straighten them out as best as you can.
And I'm just trying to straight this one properly.
After all that, then take the sensory tray and turn it upside down. Remove these covers.
Take this out. You put your baby inside. You can place it right here.
And of course, you could adjust it accordingly.
Remove the plastic film before using it. Then you can, this one she can bite it because this is like rubberized for teething. See that? And then there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachments where you can hook like her pacifier, more toys. And look, this tickle. She can touch this, the head of the bunny, and it has that sound effects. And this one, the tail of the unicorn, it's soft. She can touch the fabric, different texture, and sound effect. Then she can see herself in the mirror.
So yeah, if you're a new parent and you travel a lot, this is honestly a really good find. It's portable, it's comfy, and it's super cute. The Blublu Park seat gets a big thumbs up from us. If you'd like to know how much it costs today, I'll leave a link of this seat in the comments and description below. Check out more items related to this age group, and I'll see you there.